The aim of this program is to calculate the simple interest. We'll be writing a static method which will receive three values of principal amount, rate of interest and time. Using the formula of SI is equals to P into R into T divided by 100, we'll be calculating the simple interest and return and print the value. Using the method signature, calculate SI with three parameters of integer type P, R and T. We'll be returning an integer value. When the execution begins, it goes to the main method. Here we are creating a scanner object to receive three values from the user. When the calculate SI method is called, the three values are passed to our method definition over here, and an integer value is calculated and returned in our simple interest variable. Using a simple print statement, we will be printing the simple interest. Let's debug this very quickly. Principal amount with the rate of interest of 5% in 10 years. The execution goes inside the method, calculate and return it into the variable simple interest over here, which will now store 7,500. Then we see the output on the console. In the next program, we are calculating the measurements of a rectangle. We'll be calculating area and perimeter both. Using two static methods, we'll calculate these. Passing length and breadth from main, we'll be calling these methods and also display the result. We have the method signature with return type integer in both and parameters of length and breadth in both again. As the execution begins, we store 10 into the length and 5 as breadth. Calling the area method to calculate the area of the rectangle, we pass the length and breadth over here, which is received into these two variables, and the return value will be length into breadth. This return value is stored in our variable rect area. Then we call the method perimeter using the same length and breadth. Here we calculate the perimeter using the formula 2 into L plus B, and the return value is stored into our variable rect perimeter. Then we print both. Quickly debugging this again. We have length 10 and breadth as 5. Execution goes inside the area method. Calculating the area here. Rect area stores 50 here. Execution goes to the perimeter method. Calculating the perimeter. Perimeter is calculated as 30. Then printing the 2 onto the console.